Yeah, I got some from Real Platinum Hip Hop.
Amethyst from the Real Talk. Growing up, you began creating your own music on a beat machine. So how have you expanded since then?
Yeah, so I used a beat machine when I was like 15, and my mom got me. And then like technology evolved when we was younger. We used to laugh at people like I had a beat machine, and like my mentors they had a beat machine. They had an MPC, I had an ASR. Their MPC was like superior to mine, and then people that was using Fruity Loops. When Fruity Loops first came out, we would look down on them because they would look down on them. So I'm young, so I'd be like, yeah, Fruity Loops is whack. You know what I mean? And now times have changed. It's like Fruity Loops is what all these young producers are using. Digital is like the way that